Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. It's been a long time since I make videos of jewelry making, so today I will show you how to make 108 clear quartz prayer beads with a handmade tassel. But first, let's start with the third interaction. Please share with me your experience with clear quartz or share the benefits of clear quartz. Name 3 of them. And I will choose one winner to get this clear quartz pendulum as a gift. Please join the interaction in the comment section right below this video. I will use 6 mm high quality clear quartz beads to make an elastic style. You can make it in 10 mm or 8 mm, even smaller bead size like 4 mm. And a handmade sterling silver bead, 6 symbols mantra made with ebony wood. I think it's really special. And a colorful cotton rope. So the first step is to make 108 beads. I will use 4 quartz, more secure, and the total length is about 31 inches. If you don't know how to make elastic quartz bracelets, please click the link of the suggested video. Now let's double check the quantity, make sure it's 108. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some subscribers, they say they want me to speak Cantonese. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it's 108. Make sure to tie the knot twice. Okay, now we get the tassel ready. is done. It's really beautiful, simple. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave me your comments and get this beautiful pendulum. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.